Hi, today is Saturday, January 22nd. This clip is being composed to document that the Icom R-7000 radio does work. The battery, as I mentioned in the listing, does need to be replaced so that all of the memory settings are retained in power off condition. However, there's enough juice to power the RAM board so that you have some time to do that. No, the Ranger 2 is not included in this auction. As I mentioned, today is January 22nd. Here's a little flyer that I received a couple of days ago. And to engage the radio, simply turn it on.
And now the forecast for the Ann Arbor and Detroit.
And I just had it on, so the frequency did pop up. Sometimes it comes up at the blank display and you need to enter the mode switch and tune the frequency for it to work. But here is the weather. We can program that into memory channel 1 simply by touching 1.
Accumulations less than an inch.
We can enter a frequency.
10 miles per hour. Chance of snow 70%. Sunday night, partly cloudy.
100.
Lows around 12.
Point.
West winds
3.
up to 5 miles per hour, shifting to the southwest after midnight.
100.3.
And
I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be
No knock on my brother's head, no knock on my sister's head, no knock on my brother's head.
So the radio does work fine. You'll just have to replace the lithium battery to ensure that you have ongoing power for the memories, and have fun.